Hi students, today we have the practical of to determine the melting point of the ice. Clear? Means in this experiment we are going to find out the temperature at which the ice will start melt. Here we require thermometer, ice cubes, beaker and stand. Clear? So in this experiment we understand that the melting point of the ice is what we will just measure from the thermometer, and we also observe that the temperature at which the solid start melt and the temperature will remain constant until the total ice will change into the liquid. Clear? So let's move towards our practical. So students, first of all you have to understand this thermometer. I will show you here. This is a mark of 40 degree, here 30 degree, here 20 degree, 10 degree, and after that I think this is visible to all of you. This is a 0 degree Celsius and this is minus 10 degree Celsius. Clear? So this is a thermometer which I am going to put in a glass which is full of beaker. So students, you have to understand this is a 0 degree Celsius. This is a, I think, visible to all of you. So students, you can check. I have a thermometer and ice cube. Now our experiment is to determine the melting point of ice. Now I will put ice and thermometer. So students, you can check here. I have put thermometer in a glass which is full of ice cubes, and now you can check here the temperature of thermometer. So here you can check here the temperature is going to be below the 10. Clear? So here you can check here continuously the temperature is continuously going to be below 0, and I will show you here by magnifying. Here you can check graph means here the mercury is there, and here we have the 0 degree Celsius. So this is a mark of 0 degree Celsius and the temperature is just going to below this. So students, here you can check the means meniscus of the thermometer. Here we have 0. Here I will show you with finger. Here we have 0 and the temperature is just going to below the 0 degree Celsius. Clear? So students, you can check here at the 0 degree Celsius. This is a meniscus. Here the water will means ice starts into melting, and here you have to understand that the temperature will remain constant until the full ice will change into water. Here this is a 0. I will show you by magnifying. So here we have the 0 and the water is going to be means ice is continuously change into the water, and the temperature will remain 0 until the full ice is converted into the water. So here from this experiment we understand that during the melting point the temperature remain constant until the full solid is changes into the liquid, means full ice is changes into the water, and here see this the ice is changes into the water. So this is the experiment through which we understand that the solid ice will melt at the temperature 0 degree Celsius and the temperature will remain here 0 continuously until this full ice will change into the water. Clear? So this is our experiment, and we have also understand from the means learn from the first chapter that the temperature will remain constant during the change of state. Here the change of state is solid to liquid, so here the ice will change into the water and the temperature will remain until full solid is changes into the liquid. So here this is our experiment. I will again show you. This is the means full our apparatus in which we suspend thermometer in ice. So students, you can also try this at home. If thermometer is available at your home, you can also do this experiment at home. Thank you.